guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I have a massive box from Wawak today, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Now, Wawak is where I normally buy all of my thread from, and I did an unboxing video showing you guys that, and they ended up stumbling across it by themselves, which I was just super excited to see. It was such a surprise to see a comment from them because I didn't let them know I was doing that or anything. And they liked the video and they asked me if I wanted to do another unboxing video for them to show you guys some of the other really cool things that they have on their site, because they definitely have a lot more than just thread, as you can tell by this massive box that I've got here. So I went through and I picked out paper. No, I didn't pick out paper. But I went out and I picked up, I went and I picked out a bunch of different things that I thought were really cool, that I thought you guys would enjoy as well. That some of this stuff I didn't even realize they had on their website. This bag of goodies. All right, here. Try and move that over a little bit. There's still a bunch more in there. Wait till you see all of the stuff that I got. Ooh. Okay, so these are pins. They are supposed to be super fine, 1 1/4 inch. I'm going to open it up so I can kind of show you what they look like. Ooh. I was not expecting them to come in this really nice tin like this. That's pretty cool. Looks like you open it by pushing down. I like that tin. That is really cool. Now these are super fine. Let me see if I can even get it to show you how fine this is. They are very small and they have a rounded kind of flattish head to them. Now, the reason why I picked out these pins is because I am planning to use them for doing pin framing. How would you say that? I think you just close it by squeezing in the sides. Yeah, you push down on it to open it and you squeeze in the sides to close it. That is very cool. But I'm going to be doing this pin framing method, and I thought that these would work out really well for that, for some of the cross stitch stuff that I'm doing. And along those same kind of lines, I got this, which you can't really see that well because it's got protective paper over the top of it. I'm going to pull that off though. And this is cotton buttonhole thread. Ooh, my light's a little bit bright. It looks like it's washing everything out. But it is cotton buttonhole thread. And this is just like a much sturdier, stronger thread. And it is definitely a thicker thread. But this I am also planning to use for lacing, for framing cross stitch charts. Yeah, no, cross stitch. My cross stitch canvases, my finished projects. And more pins, but these ones are going to be quilting. And these are some really pretty little glass head pins. Half of them are blue and half of them are like a kind of vanilla yellowish color. Actually, it says crystal glass head pins. Wonder if that means it's like that crystal glass. Cool. All right. And look at this little pincushion. It's so cute. I have a Lori Holt pincushion. That's one of these tomatoes. It is not nearly as large as this one. And oh yeah, not nearly as nice either. Nothing against Lori Holt, but this is definitely a lot better quality than that one. Wow. And I don't think this is going to have any problems with holding those pins, because see, with my Lori Holt one, I try to stick the pins in it and it's hard in places and you can't really get the pins in there. But this is soft enough that I don't think there'll be any problem whatsoever. I don't see the little, I guess it doesn't come with the little strawberry that you sharpen your pins on. I was kind of thinking that it would, but I guess it doesn't. This one doesn't. Instead, it has this cute little dangly piece with these beads. Very cool. I like that a lot. And it's kind of a velvety feel to it. And who is that by? I don't see, actually, that's it. It's by Dritz. So actually both the glass head pins and the pincushion are from Dritz. All right. See what else we got in this little baggie. I got, these are little ruler, oops. Now we have to turn down the light some because it has gotten messed with and now it is washing everything out. But these are little grippies to put on your rulers. And I have some that I gotten from a different company, but I kind of wanted to try out some other ones and see what I like best, because, you know, not all grippies are equal grippiness. So I'm looking forward to giving these a try, and they look like I think these look very promising, honestly. I can't wait to try them. Those are also by Dritz. I didn't even realize I was picking out all these Dritz items. And this is an interesting one. This is actually a Wawak branded item. This is a wax for making your zippers work better. Zipper lube is what it's called. It definitely feels like there's more to it than just wax when you touch it. It's got, I don't know, it's not just wax, I don't think, because it doesn't feel like that. But yeah, it just says apply lightly up and down zipper teeth. And this is supposed to help in case you ever have one of those zippers that are stuck, or it's always getting, you know, there's always that kink in it that's just not working quite right. You're supposed to be able to just rub this on it and it's supposed to work a whole lot better, which I am excited about, because off the top of my head, I'm not thinking of any items that I have, but I know that when every once in a while, something will come up and I will have a zipper that is just not working correctly. And usually it's in the winter time and it's like one of the kids' jackets or something. So I'm excited to give that a try and see how well that works. All right. Oh boy, this is a big part. Look at this. This is the majority of the box. There is a massive box inside of it. And I guess there were a couple other things in there too I forgot about. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to get those after I can manage to inch this thing out. Oh, gosh. Okay, let's see if I can not drop everything again and just turn it upside down and shuffle it out. All right, there we go. I got it. Have no fear. I don't think those other things were breakable or anything, so I will get into those in a moment. But first, we're going to take a look at this big guy. Oh gosh. What did I get myself into? I'm excited for this one, honestly. If I can get it open. This is sealed up tight. Let me tell you, there is tons of tape on this. But hey, at least I know it's not going anywhere. Oops. Right there is where we need to get it. All right, I got it open. Ooh. Now I'm excited for this because this is something that it looked awesome. And depending on size, might be able to take over the space of my old thread rack. All right. Look at this. Oh gosh, that is nice. That is, I was expecting this to be nice, but I've got to say, I think this is even nicer than what I expected by a lot. A lot. This is a like turnstile type. Oh, wow. I can see the ball bearings in there, and it looks like a very high quality. Is that a gear? I don't know, but that looks, the little turn for it looks very high quality. And honestly, everything about this looks really high quality. I am super impressed. Oh, look, it has a little Wawak little metal tag in the front. This is really nice though. It's all unfinished wood, but it's not rough at all. It's not like you would have to worry about sanding this down or anything. It's just right though. If you were ready, if you're wanting to paint it or something, you easily could do that, and it should take a coat paint or just a finish. You could just pick up some finish and make it whatever color you want to go with your sewing room, and then put like a little layer of gloss or clear coat over it. That would be really nice. Or you could just use it as is too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Most of the thread racks you use just as they are. And it came with extra pegs. Now, all of these pegs are very tightly glued in here, so I don't think I'm going to need to replace any of these. They look fantastic, but I do have some holes on the top that I could add additional pegs to. So I could either just like store a bowl or something, whatever I want on top, or I could add these extra pegs in here. And I've got more than enough to add for all of these and then have left over. This is really nice. This is really awesome. And it feels like it has grippies on the bottom too, because it's not going anywhere. It does. It has little grippy things to protect your desk and to keep it in place. Oh gosh, I am so excited about this. And I've got to say, the price on this is probably a lot less than what you're thinking, because I was super impressed with the pricing on this. I was not expecting this quality at that price point. And of course, let's see. Do I have a list of how much it cost? No, because they sent me everything free for review. So it's not listed on there how much it cost. But I am going to link all of these down below so that you'll be able to find them, and you'll be able to find this too, because this is a steal of a deal. It really is. If you're wanting a thread rack, that one is super nice and solid. It's got some weight to it. It's not going anywhere. Oh, I'm reaching for stuff that I dropped. Okay. All right, so we got our Wawak stickers. And this is the last item I picked out, right? Yep, that's it. That's the last of it. This is a pair of left-handed Kai scissors. And I have read where other people have said that the Kai scissors are some of the best that you can get. And I want to put that to the test. I want to find out because I am a sucker for scissors. And I can tell you, they do feel nice. This is not like a hard plastic. This is like it's not soft rubber, but it is like a smooth rubber that feels good against your hand. And the cutting action is nice and smooth. You can probably hear it. But I'm looking forward to this. I really am. I can't wait to cut up some fabric with it because, I'm a sucker for scissors. I've got my gingers, which I think they sell gingers there too at Wawak. They've got all different types of scissors, so I'd be surprised if they didn't. But I am super excited about this. I can't wait to try it out because, like I said, they are supposed to be some of the best scissors on the market. And you can see they've got a whole ton of different types of scissors. And these ones are, I think they're the 8-inch. I'm looking for the paper that tells me, and I've got it in my hand. I think these are the 8.5-inch dressmaking shears. So they are I think they're these ones right here on the back. I think those are the ones that they are. They say N5000 series. So, all right. I'm super excited. I've got to go find places for all of this stuff in my sewing room. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Wawak, for sending me this stuff to show everybody and try out and really get to see what I like because I'm super excited to really get into all of this stuff and put it to use. Guys, check out their website. I'm going to link everything down below, like I said before, so that you'll be able to find stuff without having too much trouble. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye. Seriously, how is a pincushion this satisfying to put pins in? It is just such a smooth, it just has a very nice sound to it too. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's like so satisfying. I could see her all day.